Every car owner knows the struggle. Your car has issues. You're stuck in office, home, or even in traffic. You're trying to search for a trusted mechanic, genuine parts and accessories, but you're hitting a dead end. This is where Kawaya App comes in. Kawaya App connects car owners to verified modern-day technicians equipped with knowledge and skills to handle today's advanced car technology. Kawaya brings together trust, technology, and convenience in today's vehicle repair. The process of booking a repair at Kawaya App is very easy. You can either use the website www.kawaya.ug or simply download the Kawaya App from Play Store. 3 simple steps. Choose the service you want, choose the date and time, and then a few personal details about yourself. So let's go. Download the Kawaya App, allow notifications to get notified for any offers, and then scroll down and go to book repair. From repair, select a service you want. For example, mechanical service. Basically I want a car service. Choose a location of the workshop you want. I'm choosing Kawempe here. We have Jawampa Technical Services in Makerere. Continue, select a date and time you want. Yes, date and the time, and then continue. Then the last step is filling in a few information about yourself. The first name, the last name, your email, phone number, enter the car make and model, you can fill in your address. Then you can choose whether you want a mobile service or you want to drive it to the workshop. Also choose whether you want any spare parts. So after you're done, you can verify your details, then finish. From here, the booking has been received. You will get a notification that your slot has been saved, and someone will contact you to discuss further about how your car solution will be saved.